Nowadays, everyone is talking about that ChatGPT is going to replace the developers. So in this video, I'm just going to go ahead and create simple project using ChatGPT in Python. So open ChatGPT. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and ask it to generate a Python script for drawing the flag of the United States of America. Draw flag of the United States of America using Python script. And if I hit enter, it's just going to start to generate the script in Python. Here I want to mention that I have tried it several times. Now it is using the matplotlib library, but before, as you can see, I have a chat over here. It was using the turtle library. So that's very interesting because every time when you are trying to ask the same question, it is using the different approach. So here I will just go ahead and copy the last code. Then I'll just go ahead and open the Replit for Python editor. So I'll just paste over here this code, and let's just stop this and rerun this. Let's see what will be the output. Now the result is going to be something like this. So as you can see, it's not even close to the flag of the United States. Now if I just try the code that I asked before, so as you can see here, I asked the same thing. So here you see that it is used the turtle model, but here it is using matplotlib model. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code. So let's just try this code, how this is working. So I'll just delete everything from here. And let's just go ahead and paste the code that we have copied. Then let's just rerun this code. You'll see that in this case, the result will be different. So this is going to be the something like this. So as you can see, this is kind of close to the flag of the United States. So let's just wait for it finishing. So as you can see, this is the result of the code that is generated by ChatGPT for drawing the flag of the United States, which is a very simple project. Now the question is it difficult to change this code to the proper code for drawing this flag, or it is easy to create it from the scratch? So which one is useful for you? You can just go ahead and comment out below.